The best shower benches for a relaxed bath. A shower bench is really handy for a multitude of reasons. Benches are the perfect tool for older adults or injured individuals, or even for someone who prefers to sit and stand in the shower. The best shower bench helps people take a shower comfortably without straining themselves. Compact and convenient, these benches can be placed inside a tub or directly under a shower. An important factor to consider while getting a shower bench is that the material should be non-slippery. These water-resistant shower seats come in various sizes, styles, and materials, and some have distinctive features. In this post, we have listed some quality shower benches for you to choose from. You can take your pick from sliding swivel chairs to transfer benches and elegant teak shower benches. Number 1. Best lightweight. Carex Universal Bath Seat. Designed from high-quality plastic, this shower chair is super durable. The lightweight structure and easy-to-carry handle make the Carex bath seat convenient to use. It is equipped with drainage holes to ensure safety and helps prevent water pooling. Legs are adjustable between 16 and 21 inches, thus providing comfort even on uneven surfaces. The sturdy chair can hold up to 400 pounds of weight and is ideal for the injured elderly and individuals. It is also equipped with a notch to hold your shower when not in use. Number 2. Best durable. OasisSpace Heavy-Duty Shower Chair. OasisSpace shower chair is super secure and easy to assemble. It is constructed from a durable aluminum lightweight frame. The bath seat is detachable for occasional cleaning and has drainage holes for extra comfort. It is compact and thus fits conveniently even in smaller showers. The sturdy bench supports up to 500 pounds of weight. It also comes along with a free suction handle that is easy to install and remove. Number 3. Best sturdy. Eagle Health Supplies Swivel Sliding Transfer Bench. Made from a heavy-duty and sturdy frame, this transfer bench by Eagle Health Supplies is super durable. Its patented anti-slip rubber tips, locks, and belt provide the utmost safety. The 360 degrees swivel seat glides comfortably across with ease. It has a base length of 39.5 to 40 inches and a holding capacity of 400 pounds. This shower bench is made from non-toxic and sturdy non-polished aluminum. The sliding seat locks every 90 degrees for convenient entry and exit. Number 4. Best water-resistant. EcoDecors Oasis Teak Corner Shower Bench. The pre-assembled shower bench is compact and fits comfortably in the corners of your shower. Made of teak wood, the EcoDecors shower bench makes a premium choice. Each foot is equipped with an adjustable height pad, providing comfort despite uneven surfaces. The seat has sleek slits for convenient water drainage and is naturally water-resistant. The size is 16 by 16 by 10 inches. And it can hold up to 250 pounds. Number 5. Best eco-friendly. ROHKEX Shower Bench. ROHKEX stylish and versatile shower bench can also be used as a vanity table. Made of premium quality poly lumber, it is waterproof and eco-friendly. The stool supports up to 300 pounds and is super sturdy. This multifunctional design is equipped with adjustable feet to provide comfort even on slanted surfaces. The frame is designed with powder-coated, rust-proof aluminum for added stability and durability. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.